Today I'm going to show you how to propose a new meeting time in Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful when you've been invited to a meeting but the scheduled time doesn't work with your availability, allowing you to suggest alternative times that might work better for everyone involved. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and ensure everything is properly synced. Once your inbox is ready, you'll be able to see all your incoming messages and meeting invitations. Now navigate to your inbox pane and look for the meeting invite email that has been sent to you. It's important to note here that proposing a new meeting time is an optional feature that must be enabled by the meeting organizer. If the organizer hasn't turned this feature on, you won't be able to suggest alternative times. So if you don't see the option we're about to discuss, it means the organizer has disabled this functionality for that particular meeting. Click on the meeting invite to open it. Once the email is open, direct your attention to the upper right part of the email window. This is where you'll find the time proposal section if it's available. Here, your response will be required, and you'll be presented with different choices showing which time slots might work best for every attendee in this organized meeting. Simply review the time slots that are presented and choose the one that suits your schedule best. Keep in mind that this proposed time isn't guaranteed to become the final meeting time, since the new meeting time requires votes from all attendees. The organizer will review everyone's preferences and make a final decision based on what works for the majority of participants. This collaborative approach helps ensure that meetings are scheduled at times that accommodate as many people as possible. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully proposed a new meeting time in Outlook, making it easier for everyone to find a slot that works. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.